Okay, we are live. So let's get group meeting lesson 10 open. Okay, we are there. Who wants to read it? I don't know who we left off on last time.
I can read this time.
Okay.
All right. Number 3, find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and sample size is 25, round to 3 decimal places. And then I got 16.449.
Yeah, that's what I got. Sorry, I'm still trying to get into
it. All right, which of the following statements is true? It was x bar is a point estimator of mu, right?
Pardon me, which one?
Wasn't it x bar is a point estimator of mu?
Yeah.
All right. Number 5. Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows the standard deviation is 113. She collects a simple random sample of 64 and computes x bar is 526. Use this information for questions 5 through 8. So number 5, what is the lower limit of this confidence interval? I got 498.316.
Yeah.
Okay, number 6. What is the upper limit of the confidence interval?
Sorry.
No, you're totally fine. Okay, I got 553.684.
Yeah.
That's what I have written on my paper.
Okay, number 7. What would happen? What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? And it would decrease.
Yep.
And then number 8, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval? And this one would increase.
Yeah. What did you do?
All right. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. Number 9, what sample size did they need? Round to the nearest whole number. This was 246.
You say 22.6?
No, 246.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
246.
Yeah.
Did you guys see how he has that set up in Excel?
Yeah, that's so nice.
So cool. I know.
All right. Okay, the mean salary of actuaries is $100,000, and the standard deviation is $36,730. We're interested in the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but you're not sure if it's higher or lower. Set up a hypothesis test with a level of significance of 0.05. All right, you collect a simple random sample of 36 salaries and find that X bar is 111,000. Use this information. All right, 10. What is the lower limit of the 95% confidence interval? This was 99,002. So 99002. Okay, and then number 11. What is the upper limit of the confidence interval? And this was 112,998. So
122.
Sorry, what?
I have 122,998. Is it 122 or 112?
I don't know. I wrote down 112.
I'm pretty sure it was 122,998.246, and then we routed it to 122,998.
Okay, I probably just wrote it down wrong. All right. And last one, there are 3 requirements that need to be checked. They are all of the above.
Yeah, here, I'll hit submit since I think that it was different. Oh, wait, I guess I missed one. Oh.
Wait, what'd you say?
I'll hit submit and make sure what I told you wasn't wrong.
Oh.
It's right.
You said it was 122, right?
Yeah, 122,998.
Yep.
3?
122,998.
Yeah, for number 11.
Okay. Mommy's mean. Okay. Well,
Oh.
he just ran out of the bathroom with an entire roll of toilet paper, like, unraveled.
Oh.
So Mommy's mean because he's on timeout on the couch.
All right, lesson 11. All right, do you want me to keep reading?
Sure, if you want.
Okay. All right, number 3. In previous lessons, we assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? We assume that it's unknown. Okay, the null hypothesis is mean equals 8, and the alternative hypothesis is that it's less than 8, and the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample size of 9 and computes x bar is 11 and s equals 6. Uses information. So is sigma known? No. What is the value of t? Round to 1 decimal point. It was 1.5.
Yep.
Okay, use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp. Okay. Number 6. What is x bar? It was 98.220.
Yep.
And what is s? Round to 3 decimal places. We got 0.922.
Yep.
All right, what is the t-score? That was negative 1.843. And then number 9, what is the p-value? It's 0.040.
Yep.
All right, 10, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? And we reject the null hypothesis because it's under 0.05. All right, use the following values which were pulled from the data file Baby Boom. The values are wait time in minutes between births at hospitals. Number 11, your first alternative hypothesis is the mean does not equal 40. Level of significance is 0.01. What is the p-value? This was 0.995. And what decision do you make? We fail to reject the null. All right. 13, you decided to try another alternative. Use the mean is less than 40, and you keep the same level of significance. Did it increase or decrease? And this one decreased. So what decision do you make? We failed to reject the null. And then compared the width of the confidence interval for question 11 to the interval in question 13, which one is wider? And they're the same. All right. Everything look good?
Yep.
It says I have one answer missing. Hold on.
Okay.
Number 9.
Number 9 was .040.
I got point. That was all that was there. And then you said 7 was 98.922?
Nope, just .922.
Oh. And 6 was 98.220.
Yes.
Okay, just making sure I got that. Right T. All right. Looks good.
Sweet.
How did you guys do on the test?
I got 95.
Figured out what?
You got what?
I got 95.
Good job.
Good job.
How'd you guys
That's
do?
Well, actually, I just got on today, and it didn't even it said I had an F in the class, 27%.
What?
And then
Oh,
I looked, and it says that my score for the exam is 0. It doesn't even say I started it or finished it.
What?
But I
Oh,
spent
no.
the full amount of time on it. So I just sent him a message, and I was like, I don't know what happened, but 9 p.m. Sunday or Saturday night, I sat down and was stressing out about this test. So I don't know. So I'm gonna have to retake it all over again. I guess.
Oh, I hope you can. I hope he lets you.
I know. I was like I looked at the details and stuff, and it doesn't even say started or anything.
And when you finished, it didn't give you a score?
No.
Mine gave me a score right when I got done.
Yeah.
I submitted it, and then it got a little try or a little submission button, or the
Really?
picture of the paper.
Oh no. He's
Hmm.
pretty nice. He'll probably let you retake it.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah. He was really lenient with me the first week when I couldn't get on iLearn, and so he still gave me a deadline to get everything done, but he still let me turn in everything late, so I assume he'd be flexible with that.
If not, we'll just have good grades from here on out, I suppose. I will. Alrighty.
Yeah.
I will stop this, and we will call it good.
All right. Have a
All
good
right.
night.
Thanks.